It would be the gifting of the Santo Niño after the baptism of Reyna Juana. We know that the Lord is generous, and by His generosity, He allowed an image of Him to be to be given to the Cebuano people, and especially to the Filipino people in general. He allowed that image to remain intact after 44 years after it was given. He allowed that image to be seen once more again as a gift to the Filipino people. And now we continue to hold on to that gift in the way that we also receive the faith as a gift, in the way we also receive life as a gift. And so we see the Santo Niño showing us how it is to give and to be given for others.